Hyundai-Wia, traditionally famous for tapping center, is proudly introducing the next generation model CUT400M. Through a structural analysis, machining stability has improved. Also, it has adapted high RPM spindle and servo motor driven ATC for better productivity. CUT400M has been designed based on Hyundai-Wia's special structural analysis to lighten weight. It can be installed at place that has weight limits such as flatted factory. While still reducing the weight up to 700 kilograms, the rigidity is increased compared with existing models. With its compact size, width of 1,650 millimeters and length of 1,943 millimeters, you can overcome space restriction. CUT400M has adapted high-performing LM guideways, ball screws to machine products that need high speed and precision. By using double-anchored ball screws, backlash can be eliminated. All ball screws are directly connected to servo motors, improving positioning accuracy. By using LM guideways, noise is minimized and abrasion of sliding surface is reduced, maintaining precision under long-time machining conditions. Rapid feed rate of each axis has increased to 56 meters per minute, which is best in its class. By reducing non-cutting time, productivity is improved. The main spindle can rotate at 24,000 RPM. For high quality and high-speed machining, angular contact bearings are used. By preloading bearing, rigidity can be enhanced and life of bearing can be increased. Since motor and spindle are directly connected, it shows excellent performance in high-speed machining. The Big Plus spindle system provides dual contact, increasing clamping force and reducing spindle vibration. With standard spindle air cooling device, and you can maintain constant spindle temperature, enabling high-quality machining. To differentiate from existing tapping machines, servo motor is adapted to drive magazine. With servo motor, tool changing time can be decreased and position accuracy can be increased, and this leads to better machining stability. Aimless type ATC can hold up to 21 tools, which is an option, and this allows better use of tools. With Hyundai-Wia's unique design, manufacturing, and AS, you can make products of the best quality and precision. A perfect machine for high speed, high precision, and high productivity. CUT400M will make your dreams become a reality.